Hello, Africans. It is hot in the classroom like a furnace. I feel galvanized to raise this issue because the level of discipline amongst the learners in schools leaves much to be desired. It is really hot in the classroom like a furnace. Educators teach learners, most of whom are reluctant to learn. Educators teach learners who are contemptuous, ill-disciplined, recalcitrant, and uncontrollable from home. Educators teach learners who seem to have anger, stress, and anxiety from home. Yes, educators teach learners, some of whom are under the influence of illegal substances like drugs. Parental involvement in education is quite minimal, particularly in the townships and villages. Really, it is hot in the classroom like a furnace. Educators teach learners who are poised to attack them and other docile learners. Corporal punishment is declared illegal by the South African Schools Act. Recommended disciplinary measures appear to be ineffectual. Educators have to be ferocious in the classroom like a lion in the jungle in order to keep discipline. Consequently, they become vocally wounded and experience fatigue owing to constant shouting. They appear to be wearing lugubrious faces, though they are jovial, convivial, genial, and exuberant. Some hesitate to go to class when it is their periods because they fear learners. Some are forced to quit teaching against their will as it is hot in the classroom like a furnace. Some experience untimely aging due to excessive daily classroom stress. Oh, please, Almighty God, help our beloved educators. Give them strength to deal with the daily vicissitudes of the classroom. Give them strength to invariably execute their duties with great aplomb, verve, zeal, zest, enthusiasm, gusto, alacrity, and panache. Because it is hot in the classroom like a furnace. Yes, it is hot in the classroom like a furnace.